welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshni. So for today's video I'm going to do a vlog, as you have read the title. So today is 17th of January. I came to Bhubaneswar yesterday from Delhi on 16th to my home, and I'm here for a little vacation of 2 days. Basically I'll stay here for a long time, but yeah, for 2 days of vacation. And I'm going to Konark, so I'll see you at the venue directly. Super cool transition, let's do it. Hi guys, so we have reached Eco Retreat. Yes. If you don't know her, hi, she's Pramita and
Sai.
Hi. So we have reached and we are going to our room first, and look at the view right over there. It's going to be an amazing weekend. So we are going to do a lot of sports here, and the main person hasn't arrived yet, for whom we have come, like Shweta Di. It's her birthday celebration. So yeah, stay tuned. So we checked in right now and we got this complimentary thing. Room is getting sanitized. Until then everyone reaches, we will go outside and enjoy the view. Let's go. हाँ से सब चढ़ला. Hey guys, so the birthday girl is here. Remove your mask and say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Not you.
Oh guys, elation.
So we are going to have our lunch with the coupons provided. So you are given coupons according to the number of people stay here. So this was the basic dining area where you had to come for dinner, lunch and breakfast, and everything Indian and Chinese was available. And I was very basic. I just took rice, chicken and raita. Raita is my two favorites, so I couldn't ignore it. I'll also give you a room tour. So this was the tent. As soon as you enter, oh, there's my luggage right over there. We enter, and these are the table and chair, a rack to keep your clothes, bed, minimum light. It was fully like a camp thing. There was an AC also, taki garmi lage, so that you can switch it on. And oh my god, this bathroom was like, wow, it looked very good. It's me, hey. So yeah, this was the room. We booked 3 in total. So yeah, and this was the front view from our room. So we have changed and we are going for the water sport. I guess we'll do one. So this is what I'm wearing. It's basically a short and this cute shirt. Shorts are from H&M and shirt is from Max. So yeah, let's go. So today we are not doing any water activity because of the high tides, and now we'll just go back. We were roaming around, we'll go back, get ready for her birthday, and And yeah, we'll show you the outfit also. As you saw in the first clip, obviously we didn't do the water sports, so we decided to play volleyball and throwball and football all mixed together, and it was really fun. Hi guys, so finally we all are ready right now for the party, and look who arrived. Hi Nikita!
Hi,
So Nikita is also one of my blogger friends, turned into a good friend.
Very good friend.
And everyone is getting ready.
The birthday girl is inside.
Hi! I'll put this one.
Right.
Flaunt your dress.
Oh.
Look at everyone looking so hot. And so this is what I'm wearing.
250 रुपए की dress.
Dress from Sarojini.
Only 250.
So this was the place that was decorated for her birthday, and it was so pretty.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, go.
Hey guys, so we are leaving now. We didn't do any sports activity because we woke up late and we all were tired partying all night. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. This was my small weekend with the birthday girl. So if you like this vlog, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, I wanted to come here quickly and say that I was really lucky and I feel very happy to be a part of Odisha Tourism and Eco Retreat Konark, working with them, and then also thanks to Shweta Di for making it possible. I'm just grateful for everything that has been happening since the last 4 to 5 months. So yeah, I'll come up with more videos. Until then, you can see the photos I've attached, 2 to 3 shots. So yeah, bye.